Video 628. We need to collect different points around the borders of the level that are highlighted in red here so that we can draw cages around every single level and draw tunnels from level to level when we load it into the engine. So for that, we have some lookup tables in the file 196 top level data section within bitmap room relatives. We have a corner enumeration converted to one of the four corners on the image here in terms of points relative to this top left center point right here. And you can see we have four records, right? Because we have top left, bottom right, bottom left. So we're going clockwise starting at the top left corner. Then we have some symbolic constants here, right? The top, bottom, left, and right edges. And then T for top, R for right, B for bottom, L for left, and then if it's an X, it's obviously the X-axis. If it's a Y, it's the Y-axis. 0 for a start point, 1 for an end point. So these are different line segments that are here, 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 and here and here, right? So 4 line segments that are going to be used to close off the top, right, bottom, and left tunnels if we don't want a tunnel connecting everything. Then we got this other lookup table, a corner enumeration to an open segment. So if we take this point and connect that, and then take this point and connect that, what we're going to get is from here to here and from here to here. So we can have like an open segment when we're drawing a vertical hallway from here to the level above. And then we have this for the right edge, this for the bottom edge, and this for the left edge. Same exact idea. You can see just all of these points around here. That is what this lookup table here is for. So down here is what we did previously. We got some footnotes and stuff, a little diagram of this right here. And then more footnotes. Here's what we did. And if you want a longer explanation, you can go here to Ninja Coder. You are here on Kanji Coder. Source code is here. Ways to get hold of me are here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine from complete scratch for a game called Atomic Ivy MMO. Like and subscribe.